Okay, this is a message for you, the Armored Cat, about that video response you made on my behind-the-scenes special video. First of all, I'm not ripping off iCarly. And one of those questions was not my own. One of my friends at school had it. He even had a lot of those questions. And I did not upload the video at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. I uploaded it back here at home. And I am far from dumb. Besides, that crappy video is old. I have better videos than that. Why did I even bother making those questions anyway? And about those answers, those things don't happen currently. iCarly sucks anyway. Now on iMichael, I do new and original stuff that is requested by lots of my 165 subscribers. I just had to listen to I Am Bowser Jr. Forever when he caught me ripping off iCarly. That guy is a troll. Go criticize him. I don't even censor out the word crap anymore. And most of my videos required approval in the past. But now I just create them and upload them. I'm 13 freaking years old. Not too young to be on YouTube. And I have tons of subscribers and positive comments. Now you listen. iMichael is currently almost nothing similar to iCarly, with the title being the exception. It's a parody, not a ripoff. And once again, about that behind-the-scenes special video, that piece of crap is old! You should have made your video private if it was going to be a video response. You're the one who's dumb! Okay, behind-the-scenes video was old.
The grass is getting greener each day. I know things are looking up, but soon they'll